Welcome to InCabin from the creators of AutoSense. InCabin connects the global community of automotive interior specialists working on in-cabin safety, comfort, and productivity solutions through industry-leading events and knowledge sharing. We welcome today Jorge Reynaga, Applications Engineering Manager at Cirrus Logic. And Jorge, welcome to InCabin. Good to see you, friend.
Nice to see you, Carl. Thanks for having me today.
Indeed. And the last time we saw you was at InCabin 2024. So what has changed since then? What are some of the industry trends that we've been seeing this last year that are interesting to you?
On the haptic side, we see the premium OEMs continue to focus on improving HMI applications inside the vehicle. Their goal is to enable better user experience that feel premium and consistent across different applications inside a car, like the steering wheel, the smart surfaces, and center displays. For example, we are seeing that the industry is moving from the first generation of haptic implementation, where they use an open loop design for low volume applications, to now the next generation, where they're looking into incorporate specifications by the OEMs, which require a closed loop system. This will ensure that the performance of the applications inside the vehicle provide a consistent user experience, regardless of manufacturing variation and temperature conditions inside a car.
To expand on that a little more, Jorge, you mentioned haptics. So how does the rollout of haptics into more HMI systems, how does that affect the work that you're doing at Cirrus Logic?
As the active haptics continue to proliferate in the automotive industry, our tier one customers are looking to improve the performance of their solutions by creating a high-performance haptic solution that produces a more strong and crisp haptic feedback, similar to what you would expect from a high-end consumer electronics like a smartphone or a laptop. In addition to that, our customers are looking to enable something better that could transmit a more intuitive information to the end user while enabling them to keep their eyes on the road when they're driving. For example, some customers are looking to enable some special awareness on the smart surfaces by enabling some haptic effects. And other customers are looking to create dedicated texture features for each button. So when they press a specific function, they know they have enabled the AC system versus the volume control versus a phone call. Cirrus Logic haptics technology allows them to maximize the performance of their system by integrating the required hardware and algorithms of a closed loop system into one chip to reduce the system cost, simplify the hardware design, and improve the performance of the overall solution.
Jorge, from your perspective and from your experience, is the industry still focused on the same vehicle applications for haptics? Are there any changes there? What do you see?
Yes, but we're also seeing a trend into new applications. So the biggest applications today in active haptics in the vehicles are steering wheel, smart surfaces, and certain displays. Those are the most common applications where you can find active haptics, with most of the innovation happening on the large interactive displays. But in addition to that, we're seeing a strong trend in the last 12 months that premium OEMs are interested to enable haptics in the car seat, mainly to introduce three main functions into the vehicle. The first one is to create a more intuitive and directional ADAS notifications, which will create a unique alerts to the end user. For example, in use cases like a lane departure, blind spot, or parking assistance. This information will complement some of the audio notifications that they were getting already inside the vehicle. The second use case is to improve entertainment inside the car. For example, music-based enhancement. By adding haptics on the car seat, they can actually play low-frequency haptic events on the seat to create a more immersive user experience for each passenger. And this is very important because they can actually be doing different things inside the vehicle. The driver might be listening to some kind of music. The passengers might be playing some video games or watching some movies. So by having the dedicated bass enhancement on the car seat, that allows them to create a specific zones inside the car. The third use case is to enable wellness functionality. By adding haptics in the car seat, now they have the option to enable different massage modes that can be synchronized with the audio and create a more relaxing environment inside a car. In fact, we'll have a demo during the InCabin conference, so we'd like to welcome everyone to stop by and try our Smart Seat demo from Cirrus Logic.
Speaking with Jorge Reynaga, Applications Engineering Manager at Cirrus Logic. Excited to see that demo. Jorge, we've been talking a lot about haptics. Are there other areas of focus? Are there other areas that you're working on currently?
So on the haptic side, we're also looking into new applications like virtual sliders and virtual knobs that to complement the existing smart surfaces. By moving into virtual sliders and virtual knobs, the customer can improve the design and reduce the cost of the mechanical system by introducing a better user experience and creating a more sleek and minimalist interior design inside the car. Beyond haptics, Cirrus Logic has recently launched a new range of timing products designed to deliver superior audio experience in automotive and professional audio applications. Our new timing products enable critical audio features such as network robustness and time to audio for ADAS alerts in the latest network audio implementations.
What are some of the other trends you see in the near future that we should be aware of? What do you see on the horizon, my friend?
We're seeing that in the infotainment and HMI systems, they start moving from the legacy 12-volt electrical architecture to a 48 volts, especially on the electrical vehicles. The first production of these vehicles are in the market today with a 48-volt bus that is used for audio. While the supply difference is not perceptible for the end user, the 48-volt architecture enables a more efficient power distribution and enables a longer range for the battery power EVs. For the semiconductor industry, this is an important step. As you would expect, Cirrus Logic, as a supplier of a premium audio technology, sees this trend as a great opportunity to innovate by providing solutions that are compatible with 48 volts.
Speaking with Jorge Reynaga, Applications Engineering Manager at Cirrus Logic. A pleasure to have you with us. Looking forward to seeing you in Detroit for InCabin USA 2025, June 10th through the 12th at the Huntington Place downtown in the Motor City. We look forward to seeing that demo. But in the meantime, Jorge, thank you for being with us virtually today.
Thank you, Carol. I'm also looking forward to seeing everyone at the conference to discuss more about the Cirrus Logic automotive technology.
For more information on Cirrus Logic and to find out about our upcoming events, see the links in the description or visit InCabin.com. That's InCabin.com. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow InCabin on LinkedIn in Detroit. On behalf of InCabin, I'm Carl Anthony.